Hi and welcome. My name's Jamie from Crossfader and I'm here to tell you a bit more about our Toneplay mixing course. Toneplay is a creative tool used by a lot of DJs to transition from one song to another using the melodic notes of one to replay the melody of another. Does that sound a bit confusing? Well, don't worry, check out this example. Do you want to learn mixing techniques like this? Well, this course will explain how to perform toneplay transitions, but not only that, because it's quite an advanced trick to learn, we've provided loads of piano tools. These are unique tools that we've designed specifically for this course. They will help train your ear to know what's right and wrong when it comes to creating a melody and playing a melody in key. All you need is a controller or a piece of equipment that has 8 hot cues, and then you can get started straight away. We've created beats with simple melodies and harder melodies over to practice your finger drumming along with those beats. We'll then use the piano tools to actually replay things like Faithless, Insomnia. Dr. Dre's Next Episode. Then you can take that pattern that you've created and load in other tracks to perform your first toneplay transitions. This course is applicable to nearly any controller. There are specific lessons using pitch play mode in Serato DJ, which uses Serato DJ's pitch and time expansion, and there are specific lessons using the keyboard mode in Rekordbox. But you don't have to have access to those modes to be able to make use of this course. Toneplay can be performed just using hot cues, and we'll explain how to do that inside the course. If you want to get access and have a look at one of the lessons for free, then just click the link. You'll actually get available to download one of the piano tools and the piano beats so that you can follow along step by step with this free video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you inside the course very soon.